Hi folks, it's time for science. So this is your agenda for biology on Friday, April 3rd. We are going to assess your understanding of DNA and protein synthesis. I'm going to talk through how to submit your DNA and protein synthesis review and also how to use Google Form quizzes to take your DNA and protein synthesis quiz. Also, please remember to take the attendance quiz and complete that before 4 p.m. today. So let's go ahead and go into Google Classrooms. We'll go ahead and take a look here. You can, again, access this assignment by either looking in the stream, going into the upcoming on the right side, or going into classwork. And under DNA and protein synthesis, you are going to see the review guide posted here. Very similar to the roadmap. You're going to have a copy of the assignment in which it will link to a Google Doc. This is a great thing that Google Classroom does, where when you open up a document, it automatically creates a copy for yourself linked to your email address. So when you open this up and start viewing it, you can actually start editing the document right from what it gives you. So you don't need to worry about having to create a copy or someone else editing it. It just automatically creates the copy. It's set and ready for you to go. It's a really great thing that Google Classrooms does, so just keep that in mind and make that work for you. When you are done, you're going to upload it, submit it. I haven't been keeping track of points a lot, so don't freak out about the fact that it's 100 points. I will put the actual values into the gradebook. That's something we're still trying to kind of work out and trying to understand how do we make grades fair when you are working online and might have some issues with technology and so on and so forth. So don't pay too much mind to the point value. Just do your best, submit it, and you'll get some credit for it. The other thing that you're going to be doing is completing the quiz. So let's go ahead and go back into the classwork, and we'll minimize this. The last thing you'll see in the DNA and protein synthesis category here is the DNA and protein synthesis quiz. Now, I can see it on my end because it hasn't been published, and you will not see this until it goes live at 7 a.m. on April 3rd. But what this is going to do is it's going to link you to a Google Forms quiz, and it'll ask you to sign in first and foremost, just so we can keep track of making sure that you've done your one attempt. Please treat this like any other Friday quiz. It's not going to be proctored, but we do ask that you try to answer the questions honestly. You can use your notes and materials and try to complete it in about 15 minutes. If you are Googling answers to questions or sharing the answers with other people after you've done it, that is considered academic dishonesty. So just keep that in mind. Do your best. We aren't trying to drag anyone's grades down. We're just trying to make sure that you understand, and we want a true understanding of that. And if you are cheating on it, we can't have that understanding. Those are the top two things. Submit that review guide. It is live before April 3rd, but the quiz isn't going to go live until April 3rd at 7 a.m., and then it will close at midnight. As usual, the assignments are due at midnight. The attendance quiz is due at 4 p.m. So make sure that you are getting in, doing the attendance questions, and then using the daytime to come in, ask questions, come into office hours, and then submit those assignments. Best of luck. As always, please let me know if you have questions. I'm available through email, Google Hangouts, so on and so forth. Best of luck, and we'll see you next time. Bye.